Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Terry Port. I'm just going to do a quick video on how to work smart in the kitchen, efficiently. Something I call batch work. And if you're one of my former students, you'll know this lesson. Essentially, it's the thought process that Henry Ford is famous for utilizing. And a lot of people think, or he is, popular and very well known for, of course, mass producing the car. But how did he do that? He did it by the inception and the use of the assembly line. This is what we need to do whenever we're working in the kitchen, all right? Break things up into repetitive motions where you're trimming. For instance, what I'm about to do, I'm going to trim the onions all first that I'm going to be working with. Rather than trimming one onion, then cutting it in half, then peeling that one onion, then julienning it or dicing it or whatever I need to do. I'm going to do batch work, all right? And I'm going to do that right now and show you what I'm talking about. All right. Now, very quickly, I'm going to cut them all in half. All trimmed up, now all halved. Now what I'm going to do is peel them all. Moving on, cutting the cores out now. So I've cut all the cores out now, and I've got this all set up to get to my julienne, which again, that's another video, but you get the idea. The reason for this is because I'm keeping the same knife angle, the same process that I'm doing, or peeling with this knife. I'm not changing my angle every single onion or every single half onion. That takes a lot of time, or putting the knife down, picking up the other knife, peeling one, switching, doing all of that. This is why batch work is really important. It saves you a ton of time. Practice this at home, or if you're a young chef, do this in the restaurant, man. You'll make yourself way more valuable. Thanks, everybody. Take care.